Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your South Central regional forecast. Significant rainfall overnight early this morning around the Kansas City metro and through the central part of the country. That heavy rain threat kind of sticks around through the early half of the day. Maybe looking at some additional spotty severe storms into the afternoon with more locally heavy rainfall. But then in the wake of that front, we'll start to chill down at the end of August. It's looking cooler for most locations. All right, so here's a look at Overland Park in Kansas. You can see the flooded streets here and also some pretty decent rains out in Johnson County, Kansas. And the heaviest rainfall actually falling in the Kansas City metro. It's kind of interesting because in less than a month, some areas around the Kansas City metro have recorded more than 6 inches of rain now 3 times in less than a month's time frame. So that is pretty significant. Looking at that flash flood, as I mentioned, threat at least through the early part of the day, all on the leading edge of that cooler push of air, which continues to settle on south. And then the extended outlook through the end of August, early September, suggesting that much in the central and the south central U.S. will be cooler than average. Today from Amarillo to Oklahoma City, we have a marginal threat of severe weather. Turns into a slight risk of the Ohio Valley there. And then for Wednesday, that threat shifts a little bit farther south. And then a marginal risk popping back up along the front range of the Rockies on Thursday. So showers and storms kind of fading, but then redeveloping as we head into the second half of the day. Looking at more locally heavy rainfall yet, with those temperatures quite warm as you head farther south.